I'm so sorry I got carried away.
We all did. Now how do we stop this thing?
I don't know. The controls aren't anything like my clutch.
Your clutch.
What about my clutch? Son, I told you when I'm driving.
Clutch don't budge. That's the saying, right?
You're right. You're darn right.
It stopped. We did it.
Neither of them budged.
Okay, you put away the truck. I gotta find Snakey. Snakey?
Side sliding!
Snakey, where are you, buddy? Snakey, come on down here, bud. Yeah. Oh no, and I haven't even fed Snakey. Hold that thought.
Dad, I think I left my phone at the beach.
I'm not facing that crab again. We'll buy you a new phone.
Oh, Dad, I'm growing up so fast. Hold me like the other
Remy,
times.
what are you doing?
Hey, Snakey. I know those biscuits ain't too appetizing, so how about a nice, big, juicy mouse? Huh? Just kidding. Biscuits for you.
Remy, now's not the time to... Oh, the Green family. What are you doing here?
Remy asked us to feed a snake while you guys were away. We were just taking him for an afternoon slither.
Wow, how responsible.
That's us, the responsible, trustworthy Green family.